Some homes begin with a floor plan. This home began with a way of living. Long before construction started, there was a clear vision, a young homeowner, a passion for photography, a deep love for nature. The idea was simple: to create a home where nature wasn't just outside the windows, but became part of everyday life. This wasn't about building just another modern home. It was about creating a place where every morning begins with natural light, where every room feels connected to the outdoors, and where every space brings a sense of peace. The landscape was designed as an extension of the home. Large openings fill the interiors with daylight. The surrounding trees and gardens blur the line between inside and outside. On the third floor, a peaceful retreat overlooks the trees. It became the homeowner's favorite place to watch the changing light. When this vision was shared with Artius, our role wasn't simply to build a house. It was to bring that vision to life. The result is this three-story home in Delhi, India, built entirely with engineered timber, from the structural walls to the beams and columns to the roof and even the windows and doors. Behind every beam is careful engineering. Behind every connection is precision manufacturing. Every component was produced at our 100,000 square foot facility, then transported to the site, where our experienced team assembled it with care. What makes this home even more special is the relationship behind it. Nearly 10 years ago, the homeowners chose Artius for their timber windows and doors. That experience built trust. So when the time came to build their dream home, they chose Artius once again. This time, not only for the windows and doors, but for the complete structure. From structural engineering to glulam manufacturing, fabrication, construction, and final installation, every stage of the project was delivered under one roof. The result is more than a beautiful home. Today, this home is changing the way people think about timber construction in India. It shows that engineered timber is more than an alternative. It is a smarter way to build, a way to create homes that are beautiful, high-performing, sustainable, and designed for modern living. Because in the end, great architecture isn't only about the materials we choose, it's about the life they make possible. And this home is proof of what can happen when thoughtful design meets the strength of Artius Glulam.